Part 1. Network devices. The router. The router is the wise GPS of networks, acting like the life of networking by routing traffic between different networks such as your home, Wi-Fi, and the internet, with the superpower of using IP addresses to declare you shall not pass to the wrong network. It ensures data goes where it should. Fun fact, if routers were people, they would be that annoying friend who always knows the shortcuts. Printing at the OSI model at the OSI network layer in at layer 3. It's a crucial traffic director in the digital world. Number 2, the switch. A network switch connects devices on the same network, like your laptop, printer, and even your smart fridge, which might be plotting world domination. Its superpower lies in using MAC addresses to send data directly to the right device, avoiding awkward data spam for everyone. Fun fact, switches are the ultimate matchmaker, seamlessly setting up your device's data marriage with zero drama. Printing at the data link layer, which is layer number 2 of the OSI model. They ensure efficient and precious communication between connected gadgets. 3. The firewall. The firewall acts like an overprotective bouncer, blocking sketchy traffic by deciding which packets are allowed into your network's VIP club and which get tossed into the digital dumpster. Picture a bouncer with a clipboard yelling, "Your pocket isn't on the list." And with its strict access control superpower and well-justified trust issues, these digital gatekeepers ensures unwanted stay out. The hub. Number 4. The hub broadcasts data to every device on a network, functioning like someone yelling secrets in a crowded room. It has no real superpower and it's practically extinct because it's about as subtle as a llama in library. A fun fact, if switches are smartphones, hubs are essentially two tin cans connected by a string. Number 5. The access points. The access point plays the role of turning wired signal into wireless message, essentially acts as the fairy godmother of your network's ping. Its superpower lies in converting Ethernet spills into Wi-Fi pixie dust. And if its API and if its access points had a motto, it's probably be drop the cables, embrace the chaos. Part 2, applications. There were network applications, maybe like one streaming services like Netflix or YouTube, where your router becomes stressed out butler carrying 4K videos to your couch. Number 2, online gaming. The reason your firewall panics when 20 years old DDoS you in Fortnite. Number 3, email, aka the reason spam filters exist. Number 4, VPNs, the digital invisibility clock for when you are Googling, "Why is my cat judging me?" Part 3, functions. 1. Access point grabs the data from the internet via router. Exactly. Number 2, router shows this to the living room TV. Number 3, switch directs the movie to your Roku, not your roommate's creepy asthma pickle jar channel. Number 4, firewalls blocks a hacker named Dark Lord 99 who is just jealous of Margot Robbie's Wi-Fi signal.